All right, here's my kidney. So we have the calyx, which we're going to have the major and the minor. The minor is going to be the outer edge, and then we're going to have the major in the middle because the minors go empty into the major calyx. And then we have the helix, which is going to be the little portion in between our artery and our vein. This guy right here is going to be our renal artery, and over here it's a little bit easier to see, but where you have our vein that's going to branch out also. And then also we have the ureter, which is going to come from the calyx, and it's going to be connected to the helix artery, the vein. It's going to be this little guy that branches out right here. And also you can see it over here a little bit. Okay, and then we have our renal capsule, which is going to be the outer side of our kidney. So it's going to be all around on both sides, this guy. Next, we have a couple things. We're going to have the renal cortex, which is going to be this lighter part right here. And then we're going to have the renal medulla, which is going to get into this darker area right here, which is also going to lead into this pink area, which we're going to have all our little pyramids in. Next, we have the renal papilla, which is going to be at the apex part of our pyramids. And then that's going to go into our minor calyx right here. So that's going to be at this little part right here from our pyramids. So next, we have the renal pelvis, and it's going to be by our major calyx, not cortex, major calyx. That's going to be right here on our kidney. Next, we're going to have our renal lobe, which is going to be at the base of each pyramid, kind of going up into the medulla here. But that's what's going to look like right there. So we next have our renal corpuscle, which is our final thing today. It's not visible to the human eye, but it's going to be inside our renal pyramids right here, which is going to be also a part of the nephron. It's going to be the little circle guy that controls everything.